Alright, I'm going to attempt to make a Carpenter bee trap from this piece of Douglas fir that I've already roughed out round and made a tenon on one end.
Well, it's all been told before, but I'ma tell it again. Oh, I ain't got time to lose, and I'll be what I am. I got a big bad motor, and you know it's a mean machine. You know I keep it running, and I keep it running clean. I keep my cool when things get hot, but I'm a son of a gun. Oh, you know when times get rough, and baby, I'm the one. I got a big bad motor, and you know it's a mean machine. You know I keep it running, and I keep it running clean. Rocksteady, rocksteady, yeah. Rocksteady, rocksteady, yeah. Put the pedal to the metal and the tires scream. Leave the smell of burning rubber and gasoline, yeah. Rocksteady, rocksteady.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up. If you'd like to be notified for my future videos, subscribe and click the little bell. And when I do a follow-up on how this project has weathered, I will put a link in the description below. Be safe, keep the sawdust and the wood shavings flying.